Hey folks, welcome back to eczemahealing.org. We are back in action finally here on this channel. Firstly, my apologies for such a long break. What have I been doing? I've been cycling through Africa. I cycled over the last 5 months from Cairo to Cape Town, and I wasn't able to bring you any content on this channel just due to the lack of internet I had. But I am back in action and I am ready to do some more one-to-one calls with you people that you've been really asking me for. In case you're new here, in case you don't really know what we're about on this channel, eczemahealing.org is all about natural skin health. I suffered with eczema in a big way, and I've helped hundreds of you now to find your own path to healthy skin, away from steroids, away from pharmaceutical products and all of that stuff, but through good, healthful lifestyles, diet, food. If this sounds like you, if you are interested in this, you have found your people, consider subscribing to the channel. So over the next few months, I'm going to be bringing a lot more regular content to this channel. My aim is 2 videos a week, most likely on Mondays and Wednesdays. The canvas is fairly blank on that at the moment, so if you have any ideas for videos you want to know about, if you want to know what I eat, if you want to know what my clients have done, if you want testimonials, what do you want? Let me know. Otherwise, I'll be bringing you what I think you need to see on eczemahealing.org. The Eczema Healing Workshop is still very much live, and there is still a 60% discount available. Because of my lack of availability to do one-to-one calls, I decided to leave that as it was. So you've still got a 60% discount available to join up and get all access to the full workshop that Rebecca and I put together last year. Rebecca is a registered naturopath, and the course is, especially with the discount, it's outstanding value to get you really up to speed and really in touch with your own body, and to help you create your own path to health. So welcome back. If you have any questions, the email address is still the same, info@eczemahealing.org, or you can just post in comments underneath YouTube videos and we will get back to you. And if you have any videos you want answered in a video and I get enough of those, then I'll start doing some Q&A videos as well. That's it for now. We'll see you again in another video.